Hey guys, it's Brady, mower, but here back in the video. Today we are going to be unboxing that and that, like I said in the other video. So if I can get you right where GIF is, or good little, okay. So we have this that we'll be unboxing. So here we go. Yeah, God. Hey, can you guys see? As you guys can see, we got it kind of close to getting it good, so we'll kind of cut on the side so I can get my thumb in and peel this off. So I'll just peel this off and I'll see you guys when I'm done. So I got this unwrapped. So yeah, we got this unwrapped. It's a nice bird feeder. All you have to do to open it is just go over here. You should just open it this way. All you have to do is just pull that. It opens, and then you have the chain, and you can hang it from a deck and stuff. So I'll get this untangled to get it working and stuff. But it should just, I'll just get this. Oh my gosh! What about one that's broken? Okay, guys, I don't think this is gonna work. This is just screwed. Okay, so then we have this completely nice bird feeder. Okay, so all you do to open it is you pull the head off and do that. So I already told you what this attracts in the other video, but I'll do this again. It attracts chickadees, goldfinch, and a tent mouse. And then that opens, but the squirrels can't get in, they're too big. So, yeah. So, this will be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So, I'll give you one last look, bird feeder, and that. So, see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, have fun.